Hey, welcome back to Autopista de Ideas. Today we're going to review an app that helps us to track the amount of kilocalories we consume per day. This app is called Yazio. So, if you're interested in trying to lose weight or simply eat healthy, then stay tuned. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel where you will find information about interesting sites on the internet, useful apps for your computer and mobiles, and many more ideas to make your life easier. I think we all have had that moment when we have tried to lose weight or decided to change our eating habits and found it wasn't easy. It's not only about desiring to make a change, but also about having the will to make real actions like start making exercise or eating according to a plan. In order to help us achieve our goals of being in better shape or eat healthier, we're going to analyze Yazio today. This is an easy-to-use app, very useful, that focuses on helping you to make a change one day at a time. I have personally used for the past couple of months with good results, so if you want to make a transition to a better version of you, then stay with me while we explore all the good things this app has to offer. Okay, remember that in order to lose weight or to get in better shape, there are two main things we have to really put attention. First one is the amount of exercise we do every day. Of course, if you haven't been doing exercise lately, you can begin from, like really short period of times, like 5 minutes per day, maybe once or twice per week, and then you can go increasing the amount of days you do exercise and also the amount of time until it becomes a habit. And the second part of, and probably the most important one when you want to lose weight, is control what you eat, because you can lose weight faster if you eat properly. It doesn't mean you have to be starving or you have to stick to a specific diet. It just means you have to eat smarter and be more conscious about what you eat and how it affects your weight. That's where Yazio becomes a very important part of your strategy to reach your goal. So we're going to start making a review about the Android version of Yazio. So this is our Android. We are working right now in a Huawei mobile. We're going to start with the application. The first thing you have to do once you open the application is to configure your profile in there. So you have to first set up what is your goal. It will be like lose weight, build muscle, or maintain weight. In my case, I'm gonna choose lose weight. It requests your current weight. I will establish the weight that I began when I first started the application. I was in kilograms, I was 92.5. What's my goal in kilograms? Well, I hope I don't sound too naive, but I would really like to reach 69 kilograms. It's kind of funny because it's almost the same weight I used to have when I was in high school, like final years of high school, but I haven't grown much. So if I get to reach that weight, I think I will really look in good shape, at least for what I remember. Okay, male, how tall I am, let's put it in centimeters, and I am yeah. Okay, here's the application is charging. Remember, today we're gonna use, or we're gonna check the application, the free part of the application. We haven't got the pro version. So first of all, in the top, you will find that they have like all year, and they let you register your food for every single day. If you ever miss a day, you have a calendar. Well, In blue, it will appear every single day that you enter information. Okay? Then, according to the information you gave them, they will set up a calorie goal per day. So in my case, my calorie goal per day is 2038 calories. This is the top I can eat, okay? That means from that top that I should be able to consume 249 grams of carbs, 99 grams of proteins, and 66 grams of fat. Let's make an example. If I sit here and I say that on breakfast I had, I don't know, like a coffee could be, yeah. That idea, coffee, a cup of 278 millimeters. It will says how much calorie it is, how much carb, how much protein, and how much fat. If I prefer to put a different measure, I can choose this one and I can put any amount I want here. Let's I put 69 and it will change the amount of calories. But in my case, I'm gonna go with the previous one. So, and this one is one, yeah. I put add. What happened is that from my goal, I can reduce 2 kilograms that I already ate. I haven't registered any exercise, so I have 2036 calories remaining to be consumed. Let's say I register some exercise. Let's say that I was playing basketball. Let's say I played 1 hour of basketball. It says that that represents 590 kilocalories. Yes. When I register that, it will make like a plus to the goal I have. So I have some more kilocalories to use during the day. That's the first part. It gives you the suggestions to begin, with the use of the application. They also have some recipe suggestions. You have to know that actually most of the recipes are for the pro version, for the paid one. So we're not going into this, but I don't know, they look really tasty. You can also register your body weight. This will, in case you have like a health application, that can be they can be connected together so they can share the information. You can register how much water you are drinking per day. So as you can see, the application has really use of information in just one place. They also have an option for coach. You can create a meal plan. You can join some challenges. There's a challenge for not eating candy. There's a challenge of not eating chocolate. There are several challenges that you can join, and they help you, they motivate you to accomplish them. You can also try the intermittent fasting. They have several options. Here is our profile. As long as you start losing weight, it will appear here, and it gives you kind of average review of your situation. You have your goal is lose weight. You want to weigh 69 kilograms. That means that you have to consume as a maximum of 2038 kilocalories per day. Okay, so this is basically how it looks, the Android version of the application. Right now, I would like to check the iOS version with you. That's the one that I use the most, and I will show you a little bit more of other options that they have there. Okay, so this is the iOS version of the application. As you can see, the layout is a little bit different. I really like this one. Okay, first, the information is almost the same. In the first part, you have the calendar. In the second part, you have the resume of the, let's say, the overview of the information you need. In this case, I have filled more information in this application because this is the one I use every day. So my maximum of calories is different in this one because I have set up a bit more of the information about the exercise I do, like the kind of activities I do. And I have also configured the application in order to achieve my goal faster. Apart from that, it has the same. You can enter, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. You can enter your activities. This is for today, but I just last 2 days I didn't register information because I was preparing myself for this video. So I'm gonna register the information with you. Let's say on Wednesday. On Wednesday, it has that register that I burned 13 calories. That's because of the steps I did during the day. We're gonna also complement that because every day I'm doing right now 10 minutes of jumping rope. That is 106 calories. And also on Wednesday, that was 30 of October, I did almost, let's say, 18 minutes of arm workout. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like at custom activity. Description is arms workout. How many calories did I burn? It was 278 calories and it was 18 minutes. Here I cannot put the seconds, so I will put it like a closed number. Okay, then it says that I burned 377 calories. Now let's register the breakfast I did was I have a tea. In lunch, here we always have white rice, cooked white rice. Okay, here we also have it was beans, black beans, black beans from Facundo. I think we had meat. Will be fried meat. Steak. Beef steak. And in dinner, I am usually having tea. Let's say it was this thing. So this is my information. This is what I ate. This is what I burned. Something you have to try is that it will be easier and faster to lose weight if you burn more calories than what you consume. In my case, I'm still working on that. It's not that easy. So also you can register your weight. In this case, I weigh myself, and I am weighing right now 89.3. About the glass of water, I took 1 liter of water. I need to drink more water, that's for sure. So that's how it was. It's not necessary that you register everything at night. Also, you have to take into account that sometimes you might forget about some stuff. You can register in the same moment you are starting to eat. You can register what you are eating. Okay, so this is this. We already saw the information they have in the part of recipes. These recipes, like I told you, like most of them are for the paid version, so not all of them have really available information there. The coach side of the application is almost the same like the previous one. Then you have the profile. Right now, during the time I've been using the application, it's been like almost, like a couple of months. I've lost almost 3 kilograms. So I'm, really happy with that, because prior to that, I've been really having a lot of issues with losing weight. It's been really, really difficult for me. Like the saying, there are some challenges. I am participating right now in a challenge for 21 days not to eat sweets. So right now I'm doing fine with it. There is also information about the other devices or applications that can also, the devices mostly, that provide information to this app, how they synchronize. And another very interesting thing is that they do have a Facebook group. So that's a very important thing. You can get in here, and they have a lot of information and comments and pictures of people where they share, well, not only funny stuff, but they also share why they cook, how they do it. You can share recipes there. If you ever feel unmotivated, they give you motivation. So it's very, very interesting. Also remember that Yazio is available for several languages. So far I've checked, there are information in Spanish, there are information in English, French, of course German as well, because the company that created the application is originally from Germany, and I'm sure many more languages. It's something that you can configure. Well, that's been all the review of this application. I hope you find it interesting. As you can see, it's really, really useful. It has a lot of information in one single place, and it's really a very good tool for us to achieve our goals. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it the thumbs up, and share it with your friends so they can also use this incredible application. Follow us on Facebook in our profile Autopista Ideas, and there you will find much more information about all of our videos. So that's all for now. It's been a pleasure, my friends. See you next time. Bye.